You guys want to see some cool trucks? You bet you do. Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Got this video from Michigan showing off 3 cool trucks from Hennessey, from Fox, and from Roush. So sit back, relax, and enjoy seeing these 3 trucks as representatives take you through what the trucks look like.
Hey guys, I'm Alec with Hennessey, and we are out here in Detroit today showing off the all-new Maximus Rumble Bee. This is our 1,000 plus horsepower street truck that's ready to deliver and exceed all expectations. Starting up front under the hood, we have an upgraded supercharger on top of the 6.2 liter V8. Again, that produces just over 1,000 horsepower. In addition to the supercharger, you've got a new intake tube, some upgraded fuel support, and then moving outside of the powertrain, you've got a Venom Aero kit, which is heavily inspired from our 1996 Venom 650R. Which is one of the most iconic Vipers with the big wing in the back, more aggressive front splitter, side skirts, and everything. Also heavily influenced by the Venom 800 SRT10 street truck from the 2010 era. So this is a modern interpretation of that street truck with modern power, and our goal with this truck is to exceed 200 miles an hour. So it's the ultimate street truck delivering ultimate performance. Inside the truck, you've got an upgraded interior with leather and Alcantara, and this will go into production early Q1 2027.
Hi, Don Smith, Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Roush Performance. Really excited to introduce you today the Ram 1500 Direct Connection by Roush. This is a new vehicle coming out now in 2027. This collaboration between Ram and Roush Performance. As you can look here, the goal of this was really to find a vehicle to fit within the dealer's lineup rather than fitting on top of it. So this vehicle, the goal was to come in and fit between the Rebel and the RHO, because as Ram identified that there was a gap in this lineup, and the goal was to come in there and to do that. So it starts with the platform itself is a Bighorn with the 5.7 HEMI, of course. To that, then it gets the level 2 equipment group, the 392 axle, as well as then the unique direct connection package, which then provides it with this aggressive sport performance hood, the RHO running boards, the Mopar leather, the underbody protection group, the night edition, as well as interior features as far as the trailer brake control, the surround view camera, and a couple others, really making this a very high value package, which if you tried to build it yourself would probably run $12,000, whereas this then, the direct connection package comes in at $2,800. So a retail savings about $9,000 going into the base truck. From that, then that's where the fun comes as far as with Roush, where we really focused on trying to give the vehicle its own unique identity. As you can see on the front, where we did do these more extreme functional heat extractors, the graphics itself there too. It has along the sides, the graphics. We then did the 2-inch Roush coilover suspension system with the twin monotube shocks, or dampers, excuse me, that sit then on with the 18-inch performance wheels and the 33-inch General Grabber ATX tires. This then all is tuned within the OEM factory specs, so as far as both for ADAS as well as the towing capacities remain unchanged. In the front, there's also then the high flow grille, the new grille that we've put on here with the bold lettering. There's accent lighting in the grille. There's the fender flares and the clearance lighting on the fenders. We then paint match as far as the bumper itself. So that way then giving a little bit more differentiation on the dealer lots between the Rebel and the RHO, with have that bold black front. This then gives that a little bit of the differentiation of the body matched bumper with then the pop of the Ram and the red tow hooks.
Okay, Anthony Ascari, engineering manager at Fox Factory Vehicles. We have 3 trucks here today. Ram 2500 DC HD, TRX, and the DC 650 that's currently on the road today. So we can start with the DC HD here. This is a 6.4 HEMI platform 2500. It features a Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass live valve suspension, billet radius arms and trailing arms, 37-inch BFG all-terrains, A Method B-grip wheel with functional rock protective ring. It also has our full interior package, custom leather. This truck is pre-production model. About 3.5 inches of lift on 37-inch tires. Power running boards as well. Dual MagnaFlow exhaust. As you can see, kind of a different take on a graphics package for us. Overall, very drivable truck. Kind of a sleeper truck for us. It's unassuming until you look underneath. So. Then next up over here is the TRX. This is kind of our take on what the TRX can be. Features a Fox Source leveling kit, 37-inch Nitto tires. Again, the same Method B-grip wheels with the forged rock ring. Kind of add to adjustment, we did a lot of paint matching on a lot of the factory plastics. So this was all texture black before, now it's all that crystal black. It's an OE rocker color we carried throughout all the exterior flares, bumpers, hood vents. This also features the full MagnaFlow dual exhaust, a whole host of lights from Baja Designs to kind of complete and wrap up that desert-inspired look, as well as a kind of in-your-face graphics package. There's some little Easter eggs in the graphic itself. We got some T-Rexes kind of floating around in here in key spots. And over here we have one of our DC 650 lowered street trucks. This features Ride-Tech fully adjustable coilover suspension in all four corners, sticky Michelin tires, custom 22x10 wheels, of course the Whipple supercharger in gold on the 5.7 Hemi, pushing out about 650 crank horsepower. This one in particular is a B5 blue. It's kind of a vintage Mopar color we did fun for this event. White stripe again is the homage to the vintage aesthetic. This has the standard DC interior as well that are on the trucks that are on the road today. Also features the dual MagnaFlow direct connection branded exhaust as well. Really fun truck, really practical truck. Great driver. And these are on the road today at your local Ram dealer.
All right, what did you guys think of that? Which one was your favorite? I'll be curious to get your thoughts. Put them down below. Check out the videos and channel up over here. Website down below as well. pickuptrucktalk.com. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you down the road.